Welcome to Sevat Recipe. Today I am going to show you a chips which contain Murungai leaf, curry leaf and Ajwain. I want to talk a bit about Ajwain. Ajwain is a magical herb which will help to soothe any problem in our stomach. So let me show you how I am going to do my chips. Please enjoy any time of the day and it will benefit and improve your system. Let us start. Cut the green chilies into very tiny slices. Curry leaf, cut them very small. Now we are going to cut Murungai leaf. Gather them again and you have to repeat until you get a fine pieces. Now I am going to make the dough. First I add in the plain flour followed by tapioca flour. Mix them well and then salt. Now I am adding in cherry seeds which is called Ajwain, followed by coriander powder, chopped chili, curry leaves, Murungai leaves. Mix them very well. Now I am adding in onion and garlic paste. You have to add little by little. Now I am adding in chili powder. I am adding the balanced garlic and onion paste. Now I am adding in 2 spoons of ghee. Now I am adding in little water to make into a dough. So now it's turning into a fine dough already. I am going to roll out the dough and cut into small pieces. Now you cut them to this type of shapes. Put them on this plate. Do the same to the remaining dough. Cut them into small pieces and hold them as I am holding it. Now I am going to fry the chips. Pour in enough oil to fry the chips. When you notice there's less bubbles, it's ready to dish out. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat Recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.